Welcome to this week's crypto update. We're seeing renewed strength in the market, driven by optimism around US rate cuts, strong ETF inflows, and some standout moves among altcoins. Bitcoin is trading around $115,000 to $116,000, holding steady after recent gains. Ethereum has rebounded to near $4,700, with traders watching closely whether it can break resistance above $5,000. Altcoins are also making noise. XRP is trading around $3.10 to $3.15, showing strength. Solana is pushing toward $240, approaching its earlier highs. A big story this week is the surge of institutional demand. Over $1 billion flowed into Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, signaling that large investors are returning in force. Bitcoin ETFs attracted roughly $640 million, while Ethereum ETFs pulled in about $400 million. On the macro side, US inflation came in hotter than expected, with the consumer price index rising at its fastest pace in months. This creates a push and pull. Markets expect the Federal Reserve to cut rates, but higher inflation could keep the central bank cautious. Looking ahead, the Fed's September 17th meeting will be decisive. A quarter-point rate cut is widely expected, but what matters most will be the Fed's tone. Will they signal more easing or keep a cautious stance? Traders will also be watching new inflation and employment data for confirmation. Technically, Bitcoin's support sits between 110 and 114,000, with resistance near its current highs. Ethereum needs to clear 5,000 for a stronger bullish trend. For XRP and Solana, momentum is positive, but key resistance levels are ahead. In summary, crypto markets are showing real signs of life. Institutional inflows are growing, Bitcoin and Ethereum are strengthening, and altcoins are benefiting. But the direction in the coming week will hinge on macro data and the Fed's next move.